Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we're gonna learn about round of neighbors to 100. So, do you watch my previous video about round of neighbors 10? So please watch it to learn. I will help you learning videos of math, English, but not Urdu because this is an English course channel. So, do you know the first question? Yeah, it's 809. So let's go to the first question. So, do you know what will come here? First, you have to write ones, tens, hundreds. So, do you know about this? So, do you know method how? Look, this is one board. If it's to 4, is it 4? Is there 4 over here? No. Is 9? Look, this, let's start from the ones. So, first we are 9, and then this 9 will be 0. And look, there's a 0, it's coming here. So 0. If 0 will remain 0 and this will have nothing, it will just be 8. Then 809 is round off. The answer must be 800. So let's go to the next question. About 282. First we write these 10, 1s, 10s and 100. And then like this, this 2 will also remain 0. So do you think this 8, where is it coming? If it's coming here, it's coming here, then it has to give nothing to the 100th place. If the number is coming here, then it has to give one number to the 10th place. So this is 8 and it will remain 0 and it will give 1 to the 100. So 2 plus 1? 3. The answer is 300. So let's go to the last question. So you must know my method. Here we go. So this is 999. And there's a problem over here. First we have to write the ones, tens and hundreds. Look, there's a 9 over here and 9 over here. This 9 will second you have to write a line. And this 9 will be 0. And this 9 will be also 0. And this 9 I will give 1. And this will be 10. So we have to write 10. Revise the method. If the tens place numbers are coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it has to give nothing to 100. The answer is 800. 809 is being rounded up. The answer is 800. And if the 10 place numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it has to give 1 to 100's place. Like this. 282 has been rounded off. The answer is 300. So like this, where will be the answer 900 or 1000? So first the ones place will be 0 if it's 5 to 9 or 1 to 4. So if we done this and this question, let's go to the last question. So if not, there is the same method over here. Look, 999. Look, this 9 is 0. And this 9, do you know the method over here? It has to give 1 to 100's place. And like this, it has to be plus. over here 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is 1999. It's been rounded up. The answer is 1000. So I will come in round off nearest 1000. In the next video, you will watch my channel for your kids to learn. So see you in the next video.